Today, we're going to demonstrate how to wrap the taillight on a 2023 Dodge Challenger. Luxe LightWrap is specifically designed to wrap complex shapes. Our patented air release pattern makes wrapping your taillights a breeze. First, you'll need to clean the lights with a gentle cleanser with no additives. Wipe it again with an 80% water and 20% isopropyl alcohol mixture, and dry it really well with a lint-free cloth. Next, you'll use knifeless tape to draw a line around the top ridge of the taillight. This will also help guide you when you're applying the film. I happen to prefer knifeless tape, but you may also cut this step and use a knife to later cut the film. Now, peel off the backing paper and securely lock the bottom in place. You'll now need to start working the bottom of the taillight towards the inner curve. Keep the top portion of the film relaxed so that you can feed the material into the curve with as little stretch as possible. If you don't like how it's lining up, you can peel off Luxe LightWrap and reposition. Get your heat gun and apply some heat to the top corner. Gently stretch the film over the ridge of the light. Luxe LightWrap has the stretch to cover rounded surfaces easily, but it can be overstretched. After you finish applying, you'll need to heat the film to relax any tension above and below the ridges and push out any trapped air. Use your fingers or your squeegee to push the air out. When using your fingers, it's helpful to have a wrap glove. Now it's time to cut the film and tuck all the edges and corners for a clean finish. Use your heat gun to heat the film, which sets the adhesive. It needs to be heated to 200 degrees to ensure proper adhesion and durability. Luxe LightWrap is easy to install because it's repositionable. Just don't try to install it in the sun or on a hot vehicle, or if you're working in a garage that's over 76 degrees, because the glue may start to set prematurely. Find your perfect match with Luxe LightWrap, where you can choose from our pre-cut kits or versatile sheets for a seamless installation experience. Visit our collection of installation videos online, where we break down the process of handling complex shapes and contours tailored to your needs. Luxe LightWrap, the pro's choice for automotive light tint.